Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mac for B4IB. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be talking about the best iPad to buy right now in 2020. And I believe it's this iPad right here, the iPad Pro 10.5 that came out all the way back in 2017. I bought mine back in December of 2018, and I have to say, until this day, it's still my favorite iPad. I know Apple just released a new iPad Pro for 2020, and it looks amazing. They've introduced a lot of new features for iPadOS, which is shortly coming down to all the older iPads as well. But I think the thing that most people are excited about is that new smart keyboard cover with the trackpad use. Now, I've been using my iPad Pro with my Magic Trackpad 2 and my MX Anywhere 2S mouse, and it's been a pretty good experience. I already had the Logitech keyboard folio case, and I have to say that's a great case because it's already backlit with the keyboard. But that new iPad Pro is still pretty pricey. I know a lot of people out there are eager to get their hands on their first iPad or iPad Pro for that matter. And if you guys are interested in getting the iPad right now, I think that this is the best value. Let me explain why. The base model iPad, regular iPad, is $329. Does not have the great promotion Retina display that has a wide P3 gamut like this iPad does. iPad mini, pretty obsolete at this point, and it costs more than the regular iPad. The iPad Air does not have a promotion display. It does have a better processor, a laminated Retina display, but keep in mind it doesn't have that fluid ProMotion display that we're looking for. I personally really enjoy this, and if you're an artist and you like to sketch, you need that. If you're a person that just enjoys viewing content and you're used to high refresh rate displays, then you're going to want to get an iPad Pro. If that doesn't really matter to you, then okay, go ahead, get the iPad Air. But honestly, this is a steal right now. You can go on Apple's website. This costs less than the iPad Air. You can get this. You can get the same exact model refurbished for about $389. Now that's still a decent amount of money. And at the time when I first bought this iPad, I believe I got it for $650. And I had all the accessories with it. I bought the Apple Pencil. Basically spent about $1,000 for this setup. At the time when I bought it mainly for work, and it wasn't really fulfilling my work needs. But ever since iPadOS and all these new software updates, and now the latest edition having a Magic Trackpad, it's increased my workflow. I've been able to use this for work, and it's amazing. And working from home right now, this really comes in clutch. Anytime I get a business call, I need to check on something for work, it's so easy to just pull this out and look through that and work on that. Although the iPad Air, which is probably its closest competitor right now, has the A12 chip, the A10X on this thing does not slow down, and it does not disappoint. I use this for almost everything. I use this for my photo editing, video editing. I did a video on this previously. You can go check it up over here. When I'm on the go and I need a mobile setup, this is what I use. I've been using my iPad Pro close to every single day. 90% of the media that I consume is consumed on this iPad, and I love it. I think that this is just a must-have for me right now. I listen to music on it. The speakers are still amazing. They work really well. They sound great. I actually don't have a Bluetooth speaker in my bathroom, so when I'm listening to music while I'm taking a shower, this is what I use. But yeah, I am just so happy with this. I think that if you guys are in the market for an iPad or a tablet in general, right now, the best value is this. I was thinking about going ahead and upgrading to the new iPad Pro, but after seeing that it still bends like that last generation, I think I'm going to stick around with this because it seems a little more sturdy than that one. This does bend though. Just keep in mind these iPads bend, but yeah, I think this one's a little more rigid just from the design standpoint. Are you guys in the market for a tablet? And if so, have you guys ever considered buying an iPad Pro? And if you guys already have one, are you guys planning to upgrade to the new one? Let me know in the comment section down below. Once again, my name is Mac for B4YB. Hope you guys are staying safe, and please stay at home. Wash your hands. I'll catch you guys in the next one.